anyways, I was just pondering the other day, like, yeah, what it's gonna be like to, you know, it takes two to tango. So I thought, like, how about I just like bring tango inside the airplane?
So you got two co-pilots.
Yeah, exactly. Dancer one over here with the arms down, and dancer number two still riding the rhythm. Wait, hold on. Oh, this is a really nice luge. Oh,
Air traffic control.
Yeah.
Air traffic control.
Brother.
Can you do the flip again, or whatever you did?
What?
The flip or the roll.
Oh yeah. Flip. Cut.